Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. These are height increasing insert for men and women. So I'm like 5'10", but hey, why not go taller? Chicks like a dude with height to him. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we have different pieces and parts here. We have a few things that'll just kind of connect up to make it bigger and higher. So we have the basic insert here that will give me, I guess, that much height difference. And then I can increase it more depending on how many of these things I put on. So if I put on like this one here, it'll be bigger. And then I can put on this one here and it'll be even bigger. So let's say if I wanted to go that much higher, let's do that. Let's do that on both sides. So I'm gonna stick, is this even gonna be the right height? I might have to cut this a little bit to make it my size. This is set for a size 11 and I'm a size 8.5. Well, let me go find some scissors and then I will cut this down and then I'll try it again. Okay, I cut them down. So you can see I just cut off the little tips of them here as it was there. And then so right now I'm going with a this size, this size, this size. So let's try that. So I have this one, and then I think I put a long one on under it, and then one of these, right? So that looks like this now. Yep, so I have two of the same. Okay, so now I want to try putting these into my shoes. So I have a left and a right. So let's do this one here. I have kind of slip-on shoes. This will be kind of weird, but okay. So there's that. And then put this one in here. Okay, let's give these things a go. See how they are. I'll aim you down so you can watch my foot going in here. We'll see if it does. It might be too tight now. Yeah, I might need bigger shoes because of it, but here we go. Okay, so there's one foot in there. Holy mackerel, this is sweet. Okay, and there's the other foot. I definitely can't go any taller in these shoes because these aren't like high tops or anything. They're really low. So I don't know if you can see down there. My tripod doesn't stay, but here you can see my heel is very close to the top here. So it's not going to be the greatest on these shoes, but you get the idea. But I am ridiculously tall now. Oh my gosh, this is sweet. Okay, so let me see if I can shine. I aim you here and you can see me in my doorway. So here I am in my doorway with the high ones, and wow, I am so much taller. Holy cow, this is wild. It's like walking on stilts or something, but it's super easy to walk. I really don't have a problem walking in it, and it totally gives me the height. So if I go somewhere, if I'm going to a concert or something, I'm just gonna totally wear these and they'll make me nice and tall. I'll probably wear extra ones even too and make it even taller. But wow, it's weird. A couple of inches really makes a big difference. I'm gonna show you guys how much I have in here. Let me see if I take this off. Wow, that's interesting. That's really cool. I've never tried something like that before. It gave me that much more height, so I don't know, 1.5 inches or 2 inches worth or something. But how cool. That's wild. And these ones here are like slip-on kind of shoes with the size built in there. If I had regular ones with a regular tongue, it'd fit in there way better. But really cool. Wow, that's wild. Okay, totally awesome. I'm gonna say thumbs up for sure.